Do you spend long hours sitting, wake up feeling tight, or want a smoother and more energized start to your day? We'll kickstart the day with an energizing stretch routine designed to wake up your body and mind. Whether you've woken up feeling stiff or just want to get moving, this routine is perfect for you. We'll focus on loosening up the spine, strengthening the core, and opening up the hips. All you need is your mat, a little space, and your breath. This routine can be done anywhere, from your bedroom to your living room. No excuses. We'll flow through 5 transformative stretches, targeting your spine, core, and hips to create a full body reset in just 5 minutes. By the end, I promise you feel flexible, powerful, and ready to conquer your day. Most people would probably hit snooze, but not you. Let's make these 5 minutes count and hit the mat. Start in a tabletop position, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. This stretch is a classic for gently warming up the spine and releasing tension. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone toward the sky. This is your cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone under for cat pose. Move slowly and smoothly, syncing each movement to your breath. This stretch improves flexibility in your spine, enhances posture, and gets your whole body ready to move. By the end, you'll feel taller and lighter. I promise. Beginners, keep the movement small if your back feels tight. Advanced, add wrist rolls during the stretch for added mobility. Great start. Let's move on to activate your core and balance. Staying in tabletop, we're moving into bird dog to strengthen your core and improve balance. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, forming a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Engage your core, keeping your hips level. Hold for a breath, then lower and switch sides. This move activates your core, improves stability, and builds coordination. All key for maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for extra stability. Advanced, add a crunch by bringing your elbow and knee to touch under your body before extending. Feel that core firing up? Now, let's lengthen and open up the side body with our next stretch. Kneel on the mat and bring your right foot out to the side. This stretch will open up your hips and lengthen your side body. Place your right hand on your right thigh and extend overhead, reaching to the left side. Breathe deeply as you feel the stretch from your hip to your fingertips. Gently swing your arm for 30 seconds. This stretch not only releases tightness in the hips and sides, but also improves your posture and creates a sense of openness. Beginners, rest your hand on the floor for extra support. Advanced, add a slight twist by rotating your chest upward. You're doing a great job so far. Time to wake up your entire body with a classic stretch. From kneeling, plant your hands on the mat, tuck your toes, and lift your hips into downward dog. This pose is a game changer for energizing your entire body. Press your hands firmly into the mat, sending your hips toward the sky. Keep your heels reaching toward the floor and let your head hang heavy. If you feel tight, paddle your feet to stretch one leg at a time. Downward dog stretches your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back all at once. By the end, you'll feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Beginners, bend your knees to keep your back straight. Advanced, hold longer and focus on pressing your heels down. Feeling that stretch through your body? Let's finish with the heart opening stretch to energize your day. Lower down onto your belly and place your hands under your shoulders. It's time to open up your chest and lengthen your spine. Press into your hands and lift your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and gaze upward. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch through your chest and abdomen. The stretch counteracts slouching and boosts circulation, leaving you feeling open and powerful. Beginners, keep your elbows on the mat in Sphinx pose for a gentler stretch. Advanced, straighten your arms more for a deeper back bend. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health without leaving your desk, check out the free gift I have for you in the description. Trust me, you'll want to grab it. Fantastic work, fam. You've given your body the gift of movement and energy. You've just unlocked your body's full potential in 5 minutes. How do you feel? Energized, flexible, and ready to tackle the day? Let me know in the comments. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.